Turmeric tea benefits: 12 reasons to drink turmeric tea every day. There are lots of different teas out there which are great for bringing you all sorts of different health benefits. The ones commonly opted for are chamomile, chai, and green. However, one that doesn't get much of a spotlight is turmeric tea. You may have used turmeric for making curries or sauces, as it is a spice that can help flavor dishes and make them extra tasty. It is also something that has been historically used in medicine and healthcare due to it having properties that are extremely beneficial to our health. What are these benefits, you may ask? In today's video, we will show you 12 reasons to drink turmeric tea every day. Number 1. Boosts immune system. One of the amazing benefits of turmeric is that it has properties that make it good for boosting the immune system. It helps to regulate the overall workings of your immune system to help protect you from a multitude of immune disorders. Have a cup of turmeric tea every day and you will notice yourself having fewer colds in the winter and feeling like you generally have a lot more energy. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. Prevents ulcerative colitis relapse. Many of you may not have heard of this, but ulcerative colitis is a condition where ulcers form in the lower end of your gastrointestinal tract. This is something that can be extremely painful and uncomfortable, and is a chronic condition, meaning that it will need ongoing medical treatment. There is medicine out there that can help people to recover from ulcerative colitis. However, unfortunately, the condition has a very high relapse rate. However, several studies have found that turmeric helps to significantly lower the risk of relapsing and getting ulcerative colitis again, whilst also helping those who suffer from the condition better able to deal with their symptoms. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory. One of the most beneficial properties of turmeric is that it is anti-inflammatory. This means turmeric is great for aiding in treating inflammation-related conditions, such as arthritis, but it also means it can be used as an alternative to a painkiller. If you find yourself suffering from even just a small illness where you feel inflammation could be the issue, then try having a cup of turmeric tea. This can help prevent you from taking unnecessary tablets that can lead to your bodybuilding resistance, and it's always good to avoid taking tablets if you can. Number 4. Lowers cholesterol. Cholesterol is something that many people can disregard, but it is so important that we are keeping our cholesterol within healthy levels. Having a cholesterol level that is too high can increase your risk of having a heart attack and having issues such as cardiovascular disease. Well, turmeric tea can help you to never have to worry about this again. It has amazing effects at helping to lower your cholesterol levels, with lots of different studies showing how turmeric presented with results of it significantly lowering people's levels of the unhealthy low-density lipoprotein, which is responsible for causing high cholesterol. Number 5. Helps treat uveitis. Uveitis is a disease of the eye whereby the iris gets inflamed. It can be extremely uncomfortable and painful, but some studies have shown that turmeric tea has shown to be more effective at treating the condition than many corticosteroids. Isn't that great? Number 6. Prevents Alzheimer's disease. Because the world currently has an aging population, age-related conditions such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease are becoming more and more common. They are brutal conditions that can completely change someone's life, and none of us want to get them or have any of our loved ones suffer through it. One of the amazing benefits of turmeric tea is that it has been shown to help prevent and lower our risk of getting Alzheimer's disease. One of the causes of Alzheimer's is believed to be oxidative stress, leading to damage to certain brain cells, usually those that are responsible for or involved in the production of dopamine. Turmeric tea has antioxidative properties, which is thought to make the tea able to prevent that cellular damage that could lead to Alzheimer's. Furthermore, certain studies have shown that turmeric tea can help to prevent the accumulation of substances called amyloids, which is something else that has been linked to increasing the risk of Alzheimer's. Number 7. Prevents cancer. The cancer is a relentless disease that millions have lost their lives. There are always things online or in the newspaper saying what you shouldn't have to avoid cancer, but how about the things you should have? Well, turmeric tea is something that has been shown to help lower your risk and prevent you from getting cancer. Number 8. Eases arthritis symptoms. Turmeric's amazing anti-inflammatory properties make it great for helping to ease some of the symptoms related to arthritis. This is because arthritis is characterized by inflammation and swelling in the joints, and so turmeric can calm this inflammation and ease some of the pain that it can cause. It's a compound called curcumin in turmeric which is responsible for the amazing symptom-relieving benefits that the spice can bring. Number 9. Reduces chance of cardiovascular complications. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of turmeric tea mean that it can bring amazing benefits to our cardiovascular health and prevent us from incurring any complications in the future. One study even showed that taking 4 grams of curcumin for a few days before having coronary artery bypass grafting surgery led to a reduction in the risk of heart attack by about 17%. Amazing, right? Number 10. Good for irritable bowel syndrome. That substance I have now mentioned a couple of times, curcumin, which is found in turmeric, also makes the spice very useful for helping in treating digestive conditions. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, is one condition that can cause those suffering from it a lot of pain and discomfort. Turmeric tea has been found to majorly help those with IBS, as many studies showed those with the condition who had a cup of turmeric tea every day reported back with their pain symptoms significantly relieved. The tea helps to reduce the time of gastric emptying, which is the process of food going from the stomach into the small intestine. This is how it can help to relieve some of the unpleasant symptoms of IBS and improve the quality of life for those suffering from the condition. Number 11. Helps manage lung conditions. Many people suffer from a multitude of lung conditions. Our lungs are an extremely important organ in our body which we need to breathe and, well, live. Long-lasting lung conditions such as cystic fibrosis, asthma, and lung cancer, amongst others, are all extremely serious conditions that have a huge impact on the lives of those suffering from them. Well, research has found that turmeric tea may be able to help ease some of the symptoms linked with these conditions due to the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that it has. Number 12. Prevents diabetes. Diabetes is something that so many people have had to go through or live with every day. There are lots of different types of the condition, and each of them can completely change the way you can live your life. There have been lots of different studies carried out which all show how turmeric has presented anti-diabetes properties, which makes it an extremely promising aspect for those who are looking for an effective treatment for their condition. So, there you have some of the amazing benefits of turmeric tea. All you need to do is have a cup of the tasty, relaxing beverage, and I promise you your body will be thanking you for it. You will be better able to fight off all sorts of illnesses and conditions, and are more likely to live a fuller, happier, and longer life. So, what are you waiting for? Go and make yourself a nice cup of turmeric tea now. Did you find this video helpful or informative? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy.